In front of me is Honor 400 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off app notifications. Begin by opening Devices Settings. Now scroll down a tiny bit to click on Notifications and Status Bar. Following that, scroll down again and either click on one of your apps here and manage this switcher next to Allow Notifications to turn them on or off, or go back, click on Manage All under Notifications and use blue switchers to block notifications from your apps, or grey ones to turn them back on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!